Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Preeti Das, and we are still awaiting a few guests. I am extremely honored to be inviting you for the online edition of the Ahmedabad Design Week. As mentioned, we're going to be starting in a couple of minutes. So, for all the early birds and risers, I wish we were offline to be able to distribute some prizes for those who are joining in on time. But to tell you, we're extremely excited and also a little nervous, if I may be honest, because this is going to be our first online edition of such a massive celebration of design, innovation, and creativity. For all those who are joining us, please remember Ahmedabad Design Week, and that's the mantra, is free. Here is your opportunity to listen to some stellar speakers, join workshops, be part of town halls, attend some amazing evening sessions. All you need to do is check out the website of the Ahmedabad Design Week. And there are 3 easy steps and processes to register and be a part of it. All you do is just click on a button, you get an OTP, and then you're good to participate from the 3rd of February to the 7th of February, all free. A great opportunity for students, academicians, teachers, professionals, industry experts to join and be a part of the Ahmedabad Design Week. A quick recap. My name is Preeti Das. I'm the additional director of the United World School of Liberal Arts and Mass Communication, and someone who's actively been part of the Ahmedabad Design Week right when it started as the India Design Confluence about 2 years ago. Since then, it's been an amazing trajectory. We have only seen ourselves grow in terms of our ideology, capacity, the kind of themes we are touching. ADW, the first edition, which happened last year, was based around a lot of creativity, innovation. We had some amazing designers. We had the founder of Hashtag. We had a couple coming in from a war-torn zone talking about how cartoons and sketches could be used to tell stories of individuals. So we basically at ADW believe that design is culture and culture is design. And for us, a celebration of both put together is what makes ADW such a kick. This year, ADW is online, keeping the current pandemic situation in mind. And I must tell you, we were all tempted to make this offline simply because the theme is just so nice. I mean, the entire team, we have some of our core team members, some of our guides, people who've helped us as committee members. Pradyumna sir has joined us. Hi, good morning, Pradyumna sir.
Good morning.
Looking forward to listening to you. We have Surojit Bose sir, who's been one of the, if I may say so, the taskmasters behind to make sure everything falls on time.
Thank you.
You are absolutely repeating my words, what I was telling yesterday to him in the evening.
No, but he is. He has been literally, as we say, the hunter, or to say crazy what this.
Yes, we all feel like soldiers under the Colonel Bose,
Colonel hai na, to Pradyumna sir, that's
soldiers. Yes.
Yeah, but this time, the theme, as I was telling all those who are joining us and watching us live, the theme was such a temptation.
Absolutely.
When the theme was told to us that it's going to be around toys, we were like, "Nahi, let's not do this online. This has to have touch and feel." But I think, the team that has brought this entire program together has worked very hard. We have some amazing toys that reached us on time. They're going to be sessions that is going to be teaching you about these toys, unpacking. And these toys range from traditional toys to robots to artificial intelligence, futuristic toys, to people who are the brain behind all your Star Trek toys. The Kolu Pommes of Tamil Nadu, or the lovely Chakra Chota models of Gujarat, wooden toys, clay toys, stories of toy makers. So toys for each and every one of us is a memory. And toys is not only for Namaste, Anju ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Anju.
Namaskar, sir.
Good morning, Anju ma'am, and good morning, Dr. Mashilka. What a pleasure to have you.
Sir is also here. Ramesh sir, good morning. Sorry, I missed. We're good to start in about 2 minutes. I was just talking about ADW, and then we will go on with the formal inauguration at 9 sharp. Is that okay with everybody?
Yes.
We have about 3 minutes. So, yes, I was talking about toys. When we came across the theme toys, we realized that toys is not only for kids. Toys is a part of remembering something special as you grew up. toys is a temptation for us as adults as well. You know, ek khilona jo comfort toy hota hai, something you look back to and you always say, Arey, there are so many memories of mine. You know, it could be dadi ki memory, nani ki memory. It could be horrible memories. I'm half a Bengali. Satyajit Ray has written stories around toys which make you remember your worst teacher and bring back those nightmares. But toys are such an important part of history, economics, marketing, of even psychology. A lot of psychologists would now vouch for the fact that they give toys to start conversations even with adults. And with the pandemic, I think mental health has taken the core in a lot of discussion and debates, and toys play a significant role. We're going to be seeing all this throughout in the Ahmedabad Design Week, you know. So we are extremely excited. We are going to be, once this ceremony is over, we're going to be doing, you know, a kind of a curtain raiser and start with the first session for the day. We're extremely excited. And we're going to start with introduction. If all of you are ready, and I have a heads up from Surojit sir, Bose sir, you think we can go ahead with the videos and just start the session?
Yeah, Preeti ma'am, you're mimicking and saying what all we discussed last night at 10 o'clock about it being a stress buster, about it being looking at challenges of life, especially in the pandemic. And I think you've said all that, what the toy Inglewood design is going to be for the next 5 days.
Yeah. In fact, yesterday we were also talking about, you know, Colonel sir, the phrases of toys in popular Hindi cinema, na khilona samajh kar mera dil tod diya, to a lot of other. You know, so we were looking at toys in every aspect. You know, I mean, literature and toys also go hand in hand. Toys is voodoo. I'm from South India, so there are certain toys that you have to keep outside the house. Nazar na lage. You know, so toys encompass, I think, everything sociologically and culturally. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, namaskara, adab, and welcome to Ahmedabad Design Week online version, which goes with the theme of toying, Toying, with design. Without further delay, I request the team to kindly play the welcome videos, because this time we were like online hai, the welcome bhi hum videos se hi karayenge. So without further delay, may I please ask the team to play the introduction videos of the Ahmedabad Design Week.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Ahmedabad Design Week 2021. My name is Annie, spelled ANI, Atmanirbhar India, and I'm delighted to be your host today. Do you know what my name means? You guessed it right. My name was inspired by our Prime Minister's call and the impetus behind being vocal for local. The ADW is a celebration of design, and this year's special focus is toys. Ooh, isn't that exciting?
Hi, I'm Zoxes.
And I'm Sasha.
And we're in Ahmedabad for Ahmedabad Design Week 2.0.
Organized by iHub and United World Institute of Design and hosted by the prestigious Karnavati University.
A 5-day design festival inspired by the clarion call of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji to make India a global toy hub.
Ahmedabad Design Week 2.0's theme this year is Toying with Design, and it endorses a concept of vocal for local and Atmanirbhar Bharat.
A networking arena for one-to-one interactions with co-participants of Ahmedabad Design Week 2.0. Ahmedabad Design Week 2.0 is divided into various zones for your convenience. Here, we have the auditorium where we have speaker sessions and enriching workshops lined up for you.
And the Knowledge Center that will give you more information about our partners and hosts.
You can visit the Exhibition Center, which is hosting a very exciting virtual toy presentation consisting of various toy clusters from across India and some new age global toy brands.
A help center to assist with your queries and provide a day schedule for your reference.
Ahmedabad Design Week 2.0 brings together toy makers, designers, storytellers from various cultures across the globe to revisit, relive, create, brainstorm.
and work on a comprehensive analysis of the toys, their design and production characteristics.
So follow us straight into the world of Ahmedabad Design Week 2.0.
And experience a whole new world of toy design.
Woohoo! Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Team ADW. Those videos were absolutely to tell you that this is a peppy start until 7th February. We are going to make sure our energy levels are not exhausted. Online is exhausting. As teachers, we know it, but we are going to engage, entertain, inform, and keep you all absolutely tied up to an experience which is going to take you to corners of the world. And that too, I'm going to now almost sound like an air hostess, but that too at the comfort of your own house. So you can sit with us, unwind, and enjoy this experience. Welcome each and every one of you dignitaries on behalf of Karnavati University and all the organizers. My name is Preeti Das, and I thank you all for taking out such valuable time to bless us, to be with us, to give your support and solidarity for the inaugural session. Without further delay, I'm going to call the director of UID. And as we were discussing in the beginning, the taskmaster who's made sure that things fall on time, Surajit Bose sir, or Colonel sir as we call him, to deliver the welcome address. First, Bose sir, over to you.
Thank you, Preeti. Good morning to everyone. With the invocation of the Almighty on our lips and this auspicious occasion of the inaugural event of Ahmedabad Design Week 2.0, it's my privilege and a great honor on behalf of our President, Karnavati University, Shri Ritesh Hada, and our Provost, Dr. Shishu, to welcome all to the inaugural event of Ahmedabad Design Week. Ahmedabad Design Week, in its second edition, has gradually made inroads to be one of the most prestigious design festivals of India. This year, the world pandemic, ADW is being organized in a virtual modality. This has not curbed our collective resolve, as you can see, Preeti, in the morning, as also our energies, rather escalated our national and global reach to top design associations of the world, to design schools, designers, industry, and policymakers joining us at ADW. I'm so inspired to welcome eminent scientist, Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Raghunath Anand Mashelkar as our chief guest of the inaugural. Very seldom do we have such an eminent scientist who has all the three awards, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan amongst us. Our guests of honor at the inaugural event are Srimati Anju Sharma, Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Education Department, Government of Gujarat. We have Shri Pradumnya Vyas, former Director, National Institute of Design, Senior Advisor, CII, and a board member of the world prestigious World Design Organization. We also have Dr. Himanshu Pandya, morning sir, Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, and Shri Durgesh Agarwal, Managing Director of the DA Group. Ahmedabad Design Week, as has been said, is being co-organized by iHub and Education Department, Government of Gujarat, supported by DPIIT, that's the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, in Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. Ahmedabad Design Week, over the next 5 days, proposes to explore the toy play activities as acts of social interaction with objects, as well as communication tools in the larger social content. Over the next 5 years, we shall collectively discover and reveal the aspects of toys as a change agent for education, for entertainment, for edutainment, for interactions, stress busters, and early childhood education, amongst other through the lens of designers, industrialists, artists, academicians, and policymakers from India and abroad. The theme Toying with Design, as has been said earlier, has been inspired by the clarion call of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, who through policies and programs, vocal for local, giving us a clarion call for localization vision, emphasizing a self-reliant and a cutout role for us for a resurgent India. Welcome all to the inauguration ceremony. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Colonel Sir. And because we are on a timeline and we hope to stick to that, I'm not going to be reading too long an introduction. So please, dignitaries, forgive me. I'm just going to make it quick. So Colonel Sir, thank you for that lovely warm welcome. Without further delay, I'm going to invite Pradyumna Sir, who has, of course, other than being the former director of NID and the senior advisor at CII, Pradyumna Sir has always been with us from the time we were IDC to ADW1 to ADW2 as either counsel or panel or speaker. And I think he has been such a driving force for each one of us in the team. You know, he's not interacted with us directly, but he's done some massive work for us. So Pradyumna ji, thank you so much. And it's over to you, sir. And thank you for being a guest of honor for the inauguration ceremony. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Preeti. Indeed, it is pleasure to share the screen with Dr. Mashelkar, Anju Sharma ji, Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, Himanshu Bhai, and other dignitaries on the screen. This is such a wonderful program of ADW, Ahmedabad Design Week this year, which is focusing on toy. And as Surajit Bose mentioned about that it is becoming national, in my view, Ahmedabad Design Week is becoming global. The distinguished speakers, designers from all over the world coming and talking. So I think just to touch upon, I would like to focus more on the design side of the toy design. In fact, I was just going through the article in Hindu and they say that the 16,000 crore total toy business is there in the country, out of which 6,000 crore is shared by the Indian retail and Indian manufacturers. And out of 6,000 crore, 75% toys are made by micro industry, 22 by SMEs, and 3% by the large industry. And I think there I feel that there is a huge scope for us to really get into the toy design and improving the quality of toys. Now, the screen time which is taking this last year, which we have seen, I think I would like to focus more on toy and game design, toy and play, not getting into digital game design. The focus will be on that particular part, type of toys which you can play, interact, but not with the screen. And the toys, actually, we at NID set up this toy and game design post-graduation program maybe around 20 years back. And many of these students have gone and worked and designed very interesting toys. So toys for special need, educational and recreation toys, which Surajit mentioned about edutainment toy, cognitive, creative, and linguistic aspect of the toys. There's so much of research is done and potential is there to get into a very serious nature of toys which we are talking about. And it will not be fair on my part not to celebrate the work of Professor Sudarshan Khanna of NID, that who spent 35 years. Actually, he was the first batch student of NID, and he moved around in melas and villages. Wherever mela is happening, he will go there, collect the indigenous folk toys. His room was just full of indigenous dynamic folk toys and the other toys. And I always felt that so much of passion really getting into these folk toys, where the storytelling becomes very, very important. And that has led to the postgraduate program at NID. And I see that the work which he carried out for 35 years is really now coming up to and looking into the potential for the future. So the couple of books which he had written, Joy of Making Indian Toys, Dynamic Folk Toys, and Toy Tales of Everyday Material. Meaning he really made some of the toys with the leaves and with like Arvind Gupta is another person based in Pune who has done remarkable work. And I think I was talking to Surajit and say that we must invite, and luckily Sudarshan Khanna is going to be keynote speakers. So second point I want to come is that the India's rich heritage in toys. And I think institutions, and Anjuji is here, so I would like to also request that in school education, when we are putting up tinkering lab and a lab to create something, I think the toy making lab certainly can really bring this cognitive aspect of the children if we are integrating. So rich heritage, meaning that Chennapatna in Karnataka, I think it got attention of buyers, it got attention of designers, and it has reached to a certain level where I think it is really making difference to the local clusters. But either the same way in Gujarat, we had a great potential, but somehow it has lost its charm. Maybe we could not really pull it together. If you go to Madhya Pradesh and Budni, or you go to Shopur Kala, wonderful work was happening, and which institutions need to boost actually all these things. The dolls which you are making, the puppets you are making, the Rajasthani Kawad, people have done PhDs actually in this Kawad and other things. And I think we have to really bring back. So my submission is through this Ahmedabad Design Week, the documentation of indigenous folk toy is very, very important. We must bring that documentation to schools and universities. And I think the labs which looking into the special need toys and the materials like bamboo and other things which we are talking about, how we can create labs to create toy made out of bamboo, made out of natural fiber, made out of clay, and where we can bring these experts from our society and communities and work with communities and take it to the to the next level. Finally, I would say the great opportunity for institutions, the great opportunity for the industry has come where vocal for local, with Honorable Prime Minister is talking about that how we can strengthen these local skills which are there, which have been practiced more than hundreds of years, how we can bring it to the newer context and how we move towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Eventually, I feel always that if you have to become global leader, you can become on your own strengths and not on the borrowed strengths. And these are our strengths, and I think we need to nurture it. Thank you very much. And all the best to Karnavati University and UID for taking this forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Pradyumna sir. As I said, we are restricted because it's online. We can't clap and hoot. But for all those who are there and watching us, keep giving us your comments because we can see the chat. Our team, back-end team, will be able to see the chat. So feel free to give comments, likes, because that's how we know that there are people and they are listening. Pradyumna sir, thank you so much. And I love the fact that we should be focusing more on hands-on experiences and keeping digital aside for some time. Without further delay, I'm going to call the next guest of honor, Professor Himanshu Pandya ji. Professor Himanshu, sir, khub abhar. He is the Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University. And sir, it's over to you now.
I'm thrilled with this event. Let me tell you, and frankly admit, this morning when we see Professor Mashelkar on screen, we get energized. And we get inspired also. And it is seconded by none other than Professor Pradyumna Vyas again. And I'm sharing the dais with all the elites who has that courage to think something different for this country. When Honorable Prime Minister says that क्या हम 125 करोड़ का देश अपने खिलौने नहीं बना सकते? It is not a political slogan, let me tell you. It is an awakening call. It's a movement, what we need to adapt. But when we try to do something new, when we try to add the novelty, we generally copy what we call as a learning from the outsources. But friends, I would request here all the listeners and participants to understand and value our worth. We are the biggest market in the world. Why can't we be a biggest producer in the world? It is something indigenization of Indian minds. I would say we can propagate and advertise for Spider-Man and Hulk. Why can't we propagate Eklavya and Bhim? See, don't consider me that I'm talking something mythological. It is nothing like that. But then our own requirement, our own understanding of being India, it is very important. Because through toys, you send messages. Through toy, you inspire people. You know, if a boy is playing with a tank or a gun, he will learn how to manufacture the gun or a tank. So there is a message behind every toy. Khas se khilone, the theme is really exciting. It is something, you know, self-evaluation and self-admiration, what we need at this time. And I think when we have Professor Mashelkar with us as a moral booster and the big encouragement, we can learn so many things for this newly evolved sector. I tell you, when we started working on toy designing 3 months back under the leadership of Madam Anju Sharma, you will be surprised that in an area like Morbi, where we have industrial junctures, the investment was around 200 crore. And with only one announcement in toy manufacturing, the investment is now reaching to around 400 crore. So within 6 months, these are the dynamics and people are taking interest for all these activities. Now you imagine the toy manufacturing in Mizoram, the toy manufacturing in Nagaland, the toy manufacturing somewhere in Kerala, in Srinagar. So if we develop a particular cluster based on the local requirement, I think we can address so many issues. Rather than, you know, giving a general equation or a general solution for all, we can boost and promote the local craftsmen, the local designers, the local innovators for their own enterprises. I think that would be the future of India, where we are allowing everyone to grow with their own capacities. With this, I would say what Mr. Ritesh Handa and Team Karnavati has done is a remarkable and excellent task, and people will remember you for this particular event and the initiative where you are responsible for awakening of toy movement in India. So I would congratulate all you people that you have worked very hard. I have seen you personally working very hard day and night, designing the themes and working for the protocols and everything. Congratulations once again, and I hope that this event would lead to something which can be produced to the international competency. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pandya, for those kind words. Extremely encouraging. Also, quickly, before I call the next amazing guest of honor, here's a huge shout out to all the students who have been working extremely hard day in and day out to put this together, despite pandemic conditions, despite making sure that there's social distancing. We've all been working till 4 in the morning, because if our backend is not solid this time, it's going to be a little bit of a sticky situation. So we've had some amazing work happening. So here's a quick hats off to each one of you who've been with us, making sure our techie side is all strong and good to go. Thank you so much, Dr. Pandya. Without further delay, I'm going to call the next guest of honor, who is the Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Gujarat. But other than that, we've heard Anju ma'am's name since morning. We've been hearing it from the time we gave this idea, and she's been at it with us, with the entire team, met people, sat with us, relentlessly, round after round, helping us, meeting teachers, talking to schools. So without further delay, Srimati Anju Sharma, ma'am, I welcome you to kindly grace the occasion.
Good morning, Dr. Mashelkar. First of all, let me welcome you and thank you for accepting our invitation. Your presence really inspires us and really motivates us for doing more and more in the field of design and innovation. And anything that is related to design and innovation is incomplete without you. So I welcome Dr. Mashelkar on board. Dr. Pandya, who has been always with me in this effort of organizing Ahmedabad Design Week, guiding and supporting, collaborating on each and every point, and um, taking an active part despite his very busy schedule. Dr. Pradyumna Vyas, we all know about him, and Durgesh Ji, and all the other people, Preeti, and who all have been associated with this great moment, and people who've been working behind the scenes. So my colleagues, Mr. Nagarajan, Mr. Monta, of course, President of Karnataka University, Ritesh. Ahmedabad Design Week has a second edition this time. So what we are looking at is that Ahmedabad Design Week should become an iconic event for the entire design fraternity of the world, not only in India, and India, of course, specifically. A place where designers can meet, they can share their views, they can share the latest, the best practices, and do more and more in the coming years. India certainly has a name in design, and Gujarat certainly adds a very important part to the entire design fraternity with NID Ahmedabad being here, and of course, a large number of design institutes, like 29 of them over here. This year's Design Week had to have only one theme, and that was toys, because of our Honorable PM's concern for the development of toy industry and development of, or rather promoting innovation in the toy industry, because it's very sad when we learn that our own gods and goddesses we are importing from China. So this is a time where we have to make a very important contribution to the toy industry, so that we develop our own toys, we design our own toys, and the country that has given the world ancient texts, the icons, Buddha, Rama, Krishna, who are followed by the entire world, literally. Who doesn't follow Krishna as a leader? Who doesn't follow Buddha in spirituality? And of course, Sri Ram. So all these things, and we are full of iconic leaders, like legendary people like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who have always inspired our story, the great mythology, Panchtantra, and that is filled with lessons for life, which nobody has ever been able to replicate. So with all this, we chose a theme, and that was a very apt theme for this year, toys, for the Design Week. And my team has worked phenomenally for this. And I must say, this is the beauty of teamwork. Each of us has contributed in its bit, so that in a way that it's difficult to say who has contributed what. And the mascot has so beautifully come in the form of ANI, Atmanirbhar Bharat. And of course, we had a lot of fights for ANI, and finally the name emerged as ANI. And the word ANI was coined by Dr. Himanshu Pandya. I must thank him for such a novel name that he has given to the character. And this is a character of a lady girl cub, so lioness cub, I would say, and female cub. And that portrays the new India, the new Gujarat, and the new chapters in design that are going to be written, which are based on the new India, in the sense that in toy industry, the kind of advances that are going to be done, the lion as a mascot of our Gir lion, and of course the Atmanirbhar India as the future of all of us. So ANI is our life. ANI is going to inspire us forever. And ANI is the future of design, the way the design industry thinks, and ANI is the future of teamwork. ANI represents teamwork, how it has been contributed by all, from one person who's given the name, to somebody who's designed it, to somebody who's colored it, to somebody who's given the movement to it, somebody who's given the profile to it. So it's all teamwork. In design, it's all teamwork. It's in innovation, it's teamwork. Individually, we cannot succeed, but collectively we thrive. And that's what the Ahmedabad Design Week brings in front of everybody, is that we have to learn to work in teams. Creativity thrives in teams. Individualism, focusing only on oneself, kills creativity. And that's what, through various kind of sessions, we are trying to bring up the latest in design, including robotics, artificial intelligence, and everything. And I'm really grateful to all our partners, the Ministry of MSME, the DPIIT, Dr. Mahapatra was very, very forthcoming. Mr. Arvind Sharma was very, very forthcoming when he was Secretary MSME. And then, of course, all our IIT partners, all our NID partners. It's such a big event where, when I'm talking of teamwork, the entire academia of design-related academia of India, not only Gujarat, is coming together and participating. Somebody's organizing some event, somebody's organizing some event, and it's a collective work. And that's the beauty of this work. We have IIT Guwahati, we have BHU, we have IIT Roorkee, all of, and a lot of names that I don't have time here to bring up, and of course a lot of NIDs, and they have all contributed. Anant National University, the UID, and of course our own iHub, the entire team of iHub and UID has worked tirelessly for this entire effort, and they have put in great pains to put this entire event together. And of course, being the leader of the entire team that has worked into this, I'm sure we will be able to satisfy the aspirations of the audience and the designers and the participants who are attending this event. And in the coming years, we intend to do better and better. Thanks for being with us on this, on board with us on the Ahmedabad Design Week. We cherish your participation, all the audience, and we look forward to great participation and great growth in the design sector and the toy industry and the toy design as a whole. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak and listening to me patiently. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anju. You've been a pillar of support, throughout, especially with paperwork and a lot of other formalities and leading the team. So thank you so much, and thank you for the kind words. And we're sure it's going to be kickstarting a beautiful 5-day design festival. Without further delay, the person we've all been waiting to hear, the legend. मतलब जितना भी कहा जाए, मतलब when we were writing about you, Dr. Sir, we were like, "Arey, Tino Padma," So every student, we were sitting there and we were, doing all the work, and they were like, "Oh my God, how?" So I was like, "You must listen to him speak," So our chief guest for today, we are extremely honored, sir, to have you with us to bless us, and what a way to kickstart this beautiful festival. Without further delay, I would like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Mashlekar, to kindly deliver his talk.
Thank you very much. Indeed, if I was physically there, I would have said distinguished dais, but I would say distinguished screen, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor, great privilege to be a part of Ahmedabad Design Week. I thank Anju Sharma for making me a part of this. It's absolutely fascinating from what I heard. The way you have brought the Team India together to fulfill a dream which our Prime Minister always gives us. When he says Swachh Bharat, the entire country goes after that mission. And similarly, he has given us this new mantra of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And looking at the toy industry, looking at what toys can do in social transformation, toys have a bigger role in transformation that of the mind, that of the society, that of the nation. And the way you have brought together the artisans, academicians, toy makers, storytellers, experts in diverse fields, including innovation, I think is absolutely phenomenal. So my congratulations. Number two is that, I've been closely associated with Gujarat in many, many ways, including the innovation movement, thanks to Anju Sharma. And this state ranks high in number of things, and now formally also in innovation. So design and innovation and is something where we should be leading. There is no doubt about that. Our Honorable Prime Minister highlighted that it is time to go vocal about toys made in India. And if you look at the toy industry in India, it just has 0.5% of global share. If you look at China, they have 80% of the global share. So we must ask ourselves why China is 80% and we are 0.5%. And we have to do introspection and why we can't be that. And my simple answer is that yes, we can be, because if we want, we can be. So it's an issue of aspirations, keeping those aspirations high. And our Prime Minister always raises our aspirations, and that leads to sort of a performance. The second is the way we are growing. I think what is important is not where we are, but what is the rate of growth. And if you look at the rate of growth, the global average growth is around 5%, but India is 10 to 15%. So as long as the rate of growth continues, and we are quite capable of doubling it up, we can not only catch up, but go ahead. I think that's the second point I'd like to make. The third point is, since we talk about design, why toy design? Design thinking is, of course, very important, and there are the sort of great design experts here, iconic experts. So I sort of measure my words when I say this, but I go back to Rabindranath Tagore, who had said, toys should be such that they bring out the childhood of a child and also his or her creativity. If you really look at toys, the toy building, developing, the psychomotor skills among children at an early age, very, very important indeed. Helps in building life skills, problem solving skills. That's why if you see the national education policy, you will find a lot of attention has been given to the impact of toys on different aspects of children's life. And while they're learning, it is learning by doing, learning by playing, learning by creating. So there are newer ways of sort of doing, and toys play a very, very important role. What should be India's agenda? Yes, of course, going forward, just like we say make in India, we have to say, I always say make in India, but invent in India. I would say make in India, design in India, and invent in India. That has to be very clear, because if we don't do that, we will not remain sustainable. There are examples after examples. Secondly, the global scene is changing now. You look at China. People are trying to go not completely China-less, but less of China, as you can quite clearly see. I mean, if you look at our industries, for example, we call ourselves the pharmacy of the world. But 70% of APIs, that is active pharmaceutical ingredients, we import from China. So suddenly we can't go China-less. We have to go less China. But why that 70%? In furniture, it is 55%. And toys, it is 80%. I don't understand why that should be the case. I can understand in electronic components and so on and so forth. So I think the crucial point I want to make is that with a combination of a national initiative and policy, we can certainly make it. I'm not an expert either in toys or in design, but I know something about innovation. So I keep on coming back to innovation. So last year, this was the book I published, Leapfrogging to Pole Vaulting, along with my co-author Ravi Pandit. What was the basic idea there? Not last year, year before last. And in 2019, this got the best business book of the year award. What is the basic idea? Leapfrogging to pole vaulting. Why does the frog leap? Because he's afraid of his predators. How much does he jump? A few feet. Okay? In a reactive way. I said, why should we be doing that? We should be pole vaulting. The size of the pole determines the size of our aspiration. All right? And India has demonstrated in many, many ways. We have just sort of pole vaulted in a number of ways. I mean, we are 155th in mobile data transmission, for example, or usage. From 155th, we didn't leapfrog to 100. We pole vaulted to number 1. And that is possible in a number of ways. Can we not be doing that here? So I'm going to give a slightly different perspective on this, because this is catching up, by the way. I'm not trying to sell my book, but the idea behind the book. The idea behind the book, I was very pleased on 25th May last year. You can see it on the YouTube, General Bipin Rawat, you know, our Chief of Defense Staff. He had read that book and he said, this is what India should be basically doing. But when you pole vault, how do you make sure that you have an assured success? How do you make sure that you don't break your bones? So if you see the 3rd chapter, it talks about, for assured success, you have an assured framework that I've given. So I was, while putting down my thoughts yesterday, I said, does it apply to toy and design? And it seems it fits in. So I'm going to project that before you as a completely fresh thought. I like to speak about something which nobody has spoken. So assured, I'm quite sure nobody had talked about. So what is assured? Assured is affordable, scalable, sustainable, user-friendly, rapid, excellent, as well as distinctive, differentiated. Now let me go through each one of these. Toys, they have to be affordable. Okay, that's very, very clear. Why China 80%? Because they provide affordability. They are the cheapest and it's very difficult to beat their costs. Now, why affordability will become critical? We talk about education plus fun, right? Now, look at coding, for example. Our children have to get into coding very early. And there are toys which help you coding, but how expensive they are. All right. So if you make them affordable, they can sort of get sort of all over. The second thing is that the exponential technology, the way they are moving, the costs are plummeting. Okay. For example, look at sensors. You know, in 2007 to 2014, in 7 years, the number of sensors went up by 1,000, 10 million to 10 billion. The cost came down by 1,000. The power consumption per sensor went down by 1,000. The size went down by 1,000. And you can quite clearly see the exponential part of it. And therefore, these sensors, when you become the new word, is going to be digital and of course physical. I would say phygital. There is going to be a combination of both. And in toys, phygital toys will be the future. There is no question about that at all. Okay. So therefore, when costs are plummeting like this, we have tremendous advantage. So that is the affordability part of it. The second is affordability comes also when there is a scalability. One of the reasons why China produces is so cheap, their scales are absolutely massive. Okay. And we need to do that. And if we want a significant fraction of the export market, we have to ramp up our scales hugely. That will require a number of policy and other. The third part is sustainable. Because in sustainability, there are a number of things. And one of them is, of course, the environmental sustainability, the kind of plastics that we use, the safety that we have, are we creating toys which have safety hazards like choking, sharpness, moving parts, use of chemicals, etc. So looking at non-hazardous sort of materials, etc. becomes important. Then only sustainability will come. The next one is user friendliness. Now that is absolutely obvious because toys have to be bought. Who buys them? The father or mother. And who uses them? The children. So it is interesting that in this particular case, you have a dual challenge. And I think the design experts will know more about it, that the father and mother must get attracted to that. And maybe the millennials, it was mentioned a little earlier, they want to live their past experience, Dadi and that and the other, etc. Maybe we have to think about them as well as the children, because children are much smarter than ever before. The third part is the rapid part of it. We take too long. The mind to marketplace, ideas to impact. And what also happens is that the tests are changing so rapidly. As technology changes, technology gets integrated so rapidly. Then the next question is that of excellence, because the quality, when we say make in India for the world, as our Honorable Prime Minister says, it has to have world-class quality. There is no substitute to that. And therefore, using excellent technologies like the new manufacturing technologies, adoption of new materials. If you look at, for example, 3D printing, that fortunately is spreading very rapidly now across schools, as a matter of fact, and so on and so forth. And then innovations in terms of gamification plus the digital part of it, the boosting creativity. I mean, whole range of things you can bring in, cutting edge. The most important part is the last part, the distinctive part. And all of you repeatedly made mention of the Indian culture and our past and our heritage and what we can draw from that. And therefore, the novelty part of it, we can bring in a number of different ways. For example, the Indian culture, Indian civilization, our history, our ethos, our national heroes, that can be built into the time. Then similarly, encouraging national unity, encouraging cultural diversity, At the same time, the big challenges that we have, climate change, environmental, the sort of challenges that we are going to have, the other missions that we have, and so on and so forth. So if we make them sort of distinctive, novel, and creative, you can see where you can be. So Assured is the matrix, by the way. This matrix is now very widely used. I started using it when I chaired, after the Prime Minister announced the Swachh Bharat mission. We had to do technology selection, and for drinking water and sanitation technologies. And I remember starting using that, and that has spread like wildfire across startup, that and the other, etc. So I just applied my mind and said, can this Assured matrix fit in here? And you will find that if some of these elements are not fitting through, one fails. Actually, we have done case studies in this book that you can quite clearly see. Now, I understand that we are going to have this wonderful, the Gujarat Stool Startup and Innovation Council is going to give financial support to the winners of toy design challenges. I think I welcome that. That is wonderful. Why don't we use this metric, Assured, while doing the selection, whether they sort of pass through such a metric? Because finally, in order that we have an assured success, we require such a framework. All right. At the end, I want to again thank you all for making me sort of a part of this wonderful journey. I wish I was there. I wish I had participated 5 years. I'm already 78. I would have felt younger as one participates in exciting endeavors like this. As I said, I'm very happy to be there with you in the beginning of this journey of this exciting week. I wish you all the best and a very happy new year, because we're meeting for the first time. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mashelkar. We really wish this was an offline event where we could have, the warmth that you're generating is just so much of a support for us. And this matrix, I'm sure, I think has set the tone, till 7th of February, where we can make sure the discussions that we have with industry experts, with the artisans, with the academicians can be centered around this matrix. And we can see if we can come up with, some concrete documentation interesting way forward. Sir, thank you so much. It's been an honor, and to have you as someone to guide us, for the inauguration ceremony. Thank you so much, sir. We hope to see you soon as well in real time. That's the word I've been very familiar with right now. But as we go ahead with the inauguration program, before I call Durgesh Agrawal to deliver the vote of thanks, I also have to take a few seconds to tell you people that we have to thank two amazing students called Parth and Sakshi from UID semester 6 of visual communication for making Annie. Days and days of work, a lot of fight, and that's when they made Annie. In fact, when we were overlooking it, Surajit Bose sir was also there. The whole thing was, do we make it a lady, a man? So I was witness to a few of these arguments. But Parth and Sakshi from UID, a huge shout out to you, and also to Professor Hirok and Shishadri sir, assistant professors who have done all the motion graphics, frame after frame. For all those who know video, it takes a long time. So I am not into video designing, but I've seen the way they work with frames. So huge shout out. And as Anju ma'am said, to each and every institute, IITs, NIDs, CEPT, name it, for partnering with us and forgetting that we are there as competitors, but coming together for a larger cause, which is creativity, toys, culture, heritage, design, and of course now the matrix that Professor has talked to us about. I now call Shri Durgesh Agrawal ji, founder director of the DA Group, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks. Durgesh ji, over to you.
Well, sir, am I audible? Yep. Great. So, Mr. Marshall, thank you so much for the insightful, thought-provoking address that you've given us today. It is really amazing to see how this industry, with all the facts and figures you presented, is such amazing to go for India altogether. I would like to begin my address by stating that we are all driven by design in big and small manner, from pins to plane, from humans to robots, from building to landscape, from business to toys. It's all about design. The best part about design is that it evolves. And the most exciting part about design is that it evolves every second. And I personally feel that Ahmedabad Design Week is nothing but a festival that celebrates design. So for me, personally, the backbone of Ahmedabad Design Week 2021 is our beloved PM, Shri Narendra Modi. He is someone who made us believe and gave us support and confidence that India can do it. India can design, India can make, and India can sell it to the world. Toys are something that we all, as kids, would have loved, related, and grown up with. At Ahmedabad Design Week 2021, we are making a little effort and trying to exhibit the culture and techniques used to ideate and make toys in India and around the globe. Be ready for this journey that will unfold from today. Lastly, I want to thank our hosts, mentors, the state and central government departments, partnering universities, and all stakeholders for the support, guidance in giving this event a shape and soul. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Durgesh ji, a dear friend and someone who said कि मुझे छोटे में ही खत्म करना है, vote of thanks. We really appreciate, I think, each and every one of you valuing each other's time. Also because Dr. Ramesh is in a tad bit of a hurry, but sir, we would have loved to listen to you for a little longer. Again, we hope we can see you soon, sir. But on behalf of the entire team, because there's so many teams, my name is Preeti Das. I would like to thank each and every one of you. Also, I would like to let you go only on the condition that you're going to continue giving us all your support, love, guidance, solidarity. Our fingers are crossed because next ADW better be on ground, on space. And we are also willing to do toys all over again because the touch and feel of toys is something we will try replicating online for all the viewers who are joining in. We're going to try our best. But if there is anything, give us feedback, comments. We'll be extremely happy to take this forward. I'd also like to give a huge shout out to Team Univation that has been doing a massive job handling so many issues and matters. Univation, here's to you. Thank you so much. Pradyumna sir, thank you. Himanshu bhai, Kuku Abhar Apno. Dr. Ramesh, thank you so much. Anju ma'am, thank you. And I know you're going to be there with us till the end. If there's any crisis, we're going to all just turn to you and say, Anju ma'am, kya karna hai? So thank you for formally joining us, but for always being there with us. Surajit sir, you're a team member and you are, as I said, hunter wala here. So we are all going to be there looking up to schedule mein kya karna hai, listening to a lot of your data that you're going to be giving us. And of course, a dear friend and someone who's always stood by us, Durgesh Agrawal. Thank you for joining in and thank you for the vote of thanks for your precious time, each and every one of you. So now that we are formally open, I am extremely excited. I now declare ADW open till 7th of February evening. We have an exciting day planned ahead of us. Our first session, ladies and gentlemen, is at 11:30 a.m. I repeat, 11:30 a.m. Till then, you're going to be having videos on screen. Grab your breakfast, brunches, whichever corner of the world you're joining in from. This is going to be an interactive session. Keep giving us your comments, your compliments. We love compliments. It's going to make us feel all very good. So feel free to constantly stay in touch with us and look up our website. One click and it's a free entry from 3rd February to 7th February. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ahmedabad Design Week 2021 online version. And to each and every guest, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining in. Namaskar. Thank you.